So let's look at the advantages of X-Lock. The clever bit, of course, is that we have a tool-free interface here, which requires no backing flange, no clamping nut. All those things can get lost, they wear out, they can be used incorrectly. This costs money to replace. To fit an accessory, all you need, of course, is the grinder itself, the X-Lock grinder, and an X-Lock accessory. So place it onto the hub here and simply press down, and you get that reassuring click which tells you that that disc is securely fitted and the tool is ready for use. With this grinding wheel, for example, it's not uncommon to use clamping nuts which tend to protrude a little bit, like the world famous STS click nut for conventional grinders, and that would tend to stick out and in certain circumstances foul on the material that you're working and damage it. So with the X-Lock system, it's completely recessed, it's well away from the working area. So to remove the disc, of course, we simply lift this lever and the disc drops out, ready to accept the new disc if this one's worn out or you're going to change applications.